So we're going to go through each step as we solve this. So I call this first step keep, change, change. This step also is known as the inverse property of addition. So of addition and subtraction. And so what it basically means is that you can convert. I recommend only doing this when you see subtraction, but you can convert all subtraction to adding the opposite. So you have to look for subtraction signs, not negative signs. But if you see something where it says like -4, like 5 minus 4, that's saying any number above 0 is positive. So that's +5 minus +4. And so you could turn that into 5 plus -4, and you would get the exact same thing. Or if you saw, let's see, if you saw 10 minus -8, you could convert that to 10 and then adding the opposite of -8, which is +8. So 10 plus 8, which is just 18. So in this equation, the place where we see that, I would go through and I would look for subtraction signs. There's one here, and there's one here. They're both subtracting positive numbers, so I'm going to change them to adding negative numbers. So see how that's adding -3 now instead? And this is, instead of -6, it is adding -6. Some people don't find that less confusing, but the next simplifying step, you're going to find out why it's so important. The next simplifying step is the place where people make mistakes with this. So I wanted to talk to you guys about where do we see keep, change, change in the tiles. And when I see keep, change, change in the tiles, right now I have -3 sets of 4 plus 2x, and it changes them into adding -3 sets of 4 plus 2x. So I see the 3 sets of 4 plus 2x. What I do when I do keep, change, change is I take these and I change them from subtracting positives. I'm going to move them across the line and flip them over, and that will turn them into adding, and you'll see this on the one below. Now it's just adding 3 negative sets of 4 plus 2x. So that's 3 sets that are -4 and -2x. So adding the negatives is the same as subtracting the positives. And then we see it again over here with -6. The -6 is going to go up, and it is going to become adding -6. So that is what keep, change, change looks like in the tiles. And when I carry it down here, I want to make sure that I carry these down. And so I keep writing them as that whenever I see negative signs.